We are at a house in a very nice neighborhood in North Charleston that's listed for about half the price it would be if it was fixed up really nice. So let's see what horrors might greet us, or maybe it'll be a great surprise. I love their orange wreath on their black door. Makes it feel like fall, but it's really rainy out here. Nice surprise so far. We're in the great room. So this would be the living area. Nice big windows. This would be the dining area. Really nice floor. The walls don't look bad. Not sure what the reason it's priced so low is. There's some cracks in the ceiling. So I think they've had a roof leak. So I would guess it probably needs a roof. Countertop's kind of hacked up. So it would need a countertop. Lots of windows that they're covering. Double windows on this side, triple windows on that side. Missing a drawer. Oh, glad I looked. Well, this goes downstairs, but there's no light. So I'm going to try to get down here without breaking my neck. Let me see if I can find the light. There we are. Okay, so we're downstairs. French doors here. So, going out to a breezeway, we'll call it. Actually, it looks like it was probably a screen porch at one time. Fenced yard, chain link, lots of parking. And then there's a storage shed over here. Big water heater. Some water in here. Okay, so this floor is ceramic tile. We just come in from the double glass doors. Ceramic tile floor. And then here we have a room with another outside door and a fireplace, padding for carpet that needs to be replaced. And here, this would be a bedroom. Nice built-ins. Here we have a kitchen. So this is the mother-in-law suite down here. Little stove. Has seen better days. But it's a kitchen. And I guess you could put a little refrigerator there. And then this would be a bathroom. Yeah, the house definitely needs work, but it's not the horror show that I thought it was going to be. And it's nice that it has this downstairs. These stairs are a little scary for me. At the very least, they need a rail. but there are two entrances to this mother-in-law suite from downstairs. You could pull your car up and come right in here. And a pantry. Okay, so next
Got some water damage on this wall here. They got return register and supply register right next to each other, and water damage to the wall.
And on the other side of that is the kitchen,
Yeah,
but upstairs.
upstairs, but they got that little alcove out
The
here.
house, the front door is right here. The great room is right there. We're gonna go up this set of stairs. This is all carpeted. And we have a bedroom here. Double windows overlooking the roof of the downstairs. Solid doors. This house was built in 1973 and it needs new blinds. But can you get the camera to see all these trees in the back? So it was built in 1974, and it's 1,833 square feet. Linen closet. Another bedroom. You can actually see the backyard better. I don't want to go out in the rain any more than I have to. That roof does not look bad. Mm-hmm. Maybe they replaced the roof and didn't replace the ceilings. Closet. It's not a bad size for a bedroom. And this carpet looks new in here. And then in here we have somebody's been camping out. This would be floor squeaking. Haha, the man's closet and the ladies' closet. Okay, this is the master bathroom. Ceramic tile. Ceramic tile, looks like they did that recently. Or did something recently. They caulked it in a few places, but not all places. But the tile looks good. And nice olive green. I don't know if it's olive green or mint green. It's a green bathtub, which was common in the 70s. This floor is not level. There's a hump here.
A hump here too. Spongy.
Yeah. So I mean, it needs some work. I mean, it's 149,000, and the comps show it could sell for 280. So it needs some work, but it's not scary to me. Usually they're scary to me. Medicine cabinet and hallway. Okay. So it's there are a few things that I don't know what is causing, like like the hump in the floor and the leak in the downstairs, or the previous leak in the downstairs. They replaced the carpet in 2 of the bedrooms with the gray. And they did not replace this bedroom or this hallway with the beige, or maybe they did. The carpet actually looks good. So, you would think, though, built in the 1970s, that it would have hardwood, but maybe not. Ah, cute. Cute. This is the doorway, I would believe, to the master bathroom. You look in here?
Attic access.
Don't want to look in here? Attic access. And there's some flooring in there. Okay, one thing I didn't look at up here was the ceilings. Because that's a water spot right there. No, it looks like most of the damage was downstairs around the kitchen. But I would want to know the age of the roof. We're done